One of these days, I'm going to get better lighting. And also, quarantine brain has to be a thing because I had this package for the better part of a week now. I'm like, oh, I'll do it next month. I'll do it over the week, 4th of July weekend, because I know I'll have time. Come to find out, I was like, wait a minute. I haven't done a June thing because Ipsy emailed me and said, pick your thing for July. And I'm like, okay, I'll just pick this. Wait, where was June? What? Wait, Nah, I forgot. And it's just been sitting there. I was like, you know what? I'll wait till I go get my nails done because I need to feel. And as you can see, they're beautiful and I love them. And I'm very happy about them. The only thing I'm not too, like, I love the almond shape. I love the square. I do love a good square. It's the almond that I was getting into, and it just isn't catching the keys right at work. So I had one of the girls there was like, square it off, do the coffin instead because you get to keep your length, but you'll actually be able to type. And I was like, you know what? She's right. I'm just going to have to do it that way. In the meantime, I have to get this video up, at least done. Editing's going to be interesting. If y'all get a June and July, y'all just gonna have to live with it because this is where I am in my life right now. I don't even know what I picked for June. Apparently I picked a lot because the packaging. Hold on. This is how big this thing was, y'all. It's a big old square. It's full of stuff. And I'm like, okay, I can live with this. Let's look in the little bag. Look at this little bag. Ain't it cute? It's got all colors and shapes of people laying out in the sun. Something y'all can't do right now. I'm landlocked. I'm not going to any beach anytime soon. I have to get on a plane or drive in a car for a very long time. So I'm just going to stay put. The rest of y'all need to sit down and take a nap after you watch my video. Let's look in here and see what I have. See what the little piece of paper says. It says make waves and win $1,000. Save the date for 6/24 to choose the product. I did that. Did my lighting go away? There we go. Apple, I'm gonna need you to wake up. Hello. We're challenging you to ditch the everyday routine and jump into the deep end, bright shadows, bold lips, and beyond. Try a new beauty trend and share how you wear it for a chance to win over 50 beauty products and $1,000. Follow Ipsy on Instagram and join the community. Create a makeup look with a pop of color. Post it on Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter. Tag Ipsy. Ipsy makes waves. And giveaway. We can't wait to see what you create. This giveaway ends 6:30. Make sure your profile is public until the winner is announced on 7/3. I'm so this girl, y'all. I'm late. But I didn't get the package till late. So Ipsy, this one's on you. Summer is more than a season; it's a state of mind. You deserve to rock that neon lighter. Swipe the bright gloss and go full on bold for you. Break your beauty rut and create a splash. To get the one-on-one your products, head to ipsy.com for all the intel straight from our pros. Okay, and it's like, here comes the sun with 5 tips to maximize your SPF. Wear it everywhere. Make it a habit. 30 and flirty. Doctors agree SPF 30 or and higher is best for warding off sun damage. And don't forget the little spots, ears, scalps, lips, and hands are vulnerable too. And I've seen, I think it was Beth Bears, I saw on her Instagram just slathering stuff on her ears, her face. And she's a blonde, not a bottle blonde. I think she's a natural blonde. And some of y'all blondes are sensitive. So I'm going to need y'all to cover up. Y'all and the redheads all need to cover up the real redheads. This is fake. I love it, but it's fake. Let's see. Reapply like a pro and keep it fresh. So stash your sunscreen someplace cool. It'll feel amazing on warm days. Yeah. Don't just leave it in your car. Mine's in my medicine cabinet. Still not a great place because the humidity in your bathroom goes up and down all the time. Taking showers all day, every day, especially in summer. As y'all can see, look at this. Look at this. The natural glow that I mattify all the time. But yeah, wear sunscreen. Life is short. Wear sunscreen. Yeah, okay, we're going with the bag first. There's some stuff over here, and I'm just like, what is happening? Let's start with a highlighter. I knew I picked a highlighter because I love me some highlighter on my mattified face to give y'all a fake glow or whatever it is I'm trying to do. I don't know what I'm doing anymore. Ooh, this is so pretty, though. Here you go. This is Ofra Talia Mar highlighter called Soho. So, yes. Look at that. Look at that. That's my light. My little magnifying light I bought when I was trying to do my nails. Now I got nail tech now. She's amazing. I love her. But yes, this is your glow for the summer. Oh, this is a Molly Clearly Brilliant Tinted Lips, a little lip crayon. Now, once I open it, I will figure out if it's either the kind you screw up and down or the kind that you have to get a sharpener for. I'm a retractable liner kind of person for everything. I don't care if it's your eyes, your brows, your lips. I love retractable eyeliners, or not just eyeliners, but retractable stuff, because I tend to over sharpen things. And when you over sharpen stuff, hey Coughing, come on through. When you over sharpen things, it can lead to how can I put this? Wasted product. And so you're over sharpening and you lose so much product trying to get the thing where it's supposed to be. Honey, if this thing was retractable, I wouldn't have that problem. Also, not getting this like I want. My nails are super thin. Well, okay, these acrylics are thick, which is what they need to be. But I'm not coordinated enough for this. And I started it, so now I gotta finish it because we're on camera. I might edit it out if I knew how to edit like that. I do, but I just don't want to. Teeth! Let's see what we got. Once we open the package, because y'all want to see everything, I'm sure, because I do. We could go with the other end, but since we're already here, come on now. But, yeah, like I said, I love retractables. They're awesome. And come on, thing. There we go. No wasted product. You use what you get. Now, sometimes it comes to the end and it's just like falling apart. Yeah, then I'm like, okay, this is a bit of a waste. But before that, okay, what we have here, spin. Doesn't really smell like anything, but it looks really pretty. So that just might go in the purse. Hopefully, it's summer. I just don't want anything to melt. Let's see, that's one, that's two. Our third product is a mud cream mask. Yes, I'm here for the mud cream mask. And I just bought a tool from e.l.f. that's supposed to, it's a mask, and it's got a brush on the other end of it, but it's a spatula, so you can put your mask on. Only about $6, so I'm really here for that because we have mud cream mask. It's eggplant clearing mud mask. Features a smoothing gliding cream texture with clay powder to remove the sebum and help moisturize dehydrated skin. Something I go through extremes in the summer, so I'll probably use this about once a month because during the weeks I'm like, let's catch up with this oil nonsense and try to come down, and then come the end of the month I'm like, here, we're gonna put something really nice on the face and see what happens. That's 1, 2, that's 3, and here is 4. Okay, this is my extra stuff over here. What we have here is called Lock-It Setting Powder. It's a translucent powder from Kat Von D. So, got some Kat Von D Lock-It translucent setting powder. I heard this was really good. We'll have to see. Translucent. Brown skin girls and translucents don't really go along sometimes. So, Oh, and this is a tea tree foam cleanser here for it. And on the back, this is made in Korea. So we got some K-beauty going on here with tea tree foam. And yes, so it's going to clean your skin. Okay, hold on. Me and my eyeballs. It just says tea tree foam cleanser and shows you how to use it. But okay, here we go on the front. High saturated fatty acid, melaleuca, something else. It's basically tea tree leaf. It's got a creamy lip and containing patented complex extract. So this is another great thing for summer. Gets you in that nice minty clean feeling without being too drying, because tea tree oil, lovely. It's not a moisturizer, but it's moisturizing enough. So that's great with the cute bag. Awesome. Thank you, Ipsy, for the cute bag. I'm really here for this cute bag. Now we're going over here to see what else I bought myself. Because, yes, Uma Beauty Badass MF Matte Fluid. I think this is the lipstick. And Michelle. Yes. Yes. Be a bad mother. Shut your mouth. I'm just talking about my lip gloss. Deep red. Yes. Here for it. I I love deep reds. I'm here for this. And Uma is a Black-owned beauty brand. So, support. Yes, Black Lives Matter. Black Lives Matter. I could scream it, but I don't want to break my thing. But yeah, Black Lives Matter, y'all. And I'm going to be beautiful in my blackness here in a hot second. Here is something else I thought would be cute from Pacifica. I just bought some Pacifica body spray. I am a little obsessed with them, with their stuff. This is the Cherry Gold highlighter and blush. So I'm thinking when I got it, I was like, this might be good for when I'm stepping out in the sun a lot more in the summertime, even just going to work from back home, being in the car. Yes. Yep. That's what I thought it would be. And here are your colors. It looks like more of a bronzer than a highlighter to me, but that's your blush, and this is your highlighter. I might use it for a bit of a bronzer, just especially in the wintertime, because this looks like a lot of product, so it'll last me through the fall. Keep that glow, that summer glow going. And y'all, it's got a mirror. It's a mirror on the back. It's a mirror. It's a mirror. Glare, glare, glare. It's a mirror. This is so cute. I did a good job. Go me. Go June me. Or May me, who was picking that out. That was nice of you. Now, what is this? Look at this package, y'all. It says La Rousse. I don't know what I was doing. I was apparently excited about stuff and things. Let's see what we have in here. Y'all, I bought myself some brushes. I forgot what I was doing. But these are amazing. Yes, here for it. Super soft. Very soft. And another thing I like, especially when you're rushing and you're just trying to get things done and you're hot and you're sweaty. Look at this. Rubberized, texturized. You can get a grip and get it on your face. And look at me. I'm trying to tame this oil nonsense. But yes, this is what I did for June. I need to hopefully edit this real quick and post it up. But yeah, happy June. If you guys stay inside, stay inside. If you have to go outside, please be careful. Wash your hands. Wear your mask. Black Lives Matter. I'll see y'all next month. Bye. One more thing. I forgot. It was sitting way back in the corner. I couldn't see it. I got a Phil Harmony Rose Petal Facial Mask. Ultra Concentrated Toning Gel. Another great thing in summer for me to help, again, keep the oil under control that tends to sprout off my face in the summer. And okay, it looks like this, and it smells like roses. And I hope to be toned and fabulous all summer long. Again, stay safe. Stay inside. There's air conditioning inside. Stay inside. If you have to go, wash your hands. Carry some hand sanitizer. Wear your mask. Black Lives Matter. I'll see you in July.